Hey Arti, you have the permission to talk. अब तो बात करो. I'm giving you the permission. So आज हम किसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं?
आज हम पेट्रियार्की के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं.
But why did we pick this topic?
क्योंकि हमने बहुत बार बात करी है बस आपस में कि कैसे पेट्रियार्की अफेक्ट करता है नॉट जस्ट फीमेल्स को बट ऑल्सो मेल्स को. तो हमें लगा कि आज लोग अवेयर नहीं है कि वो भी विक्टिम है, तो अपने से बस कॉन्वर्सेशन से हमें लगा कि उनको अवेयर करते हैं. तो अक्षय आज हमने डिसाइड किया पेट्रियार्की के बारे में बात करने का. क्यों हम पेट्रियार्की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Like most problems we have in this country, this is also a very insidious problem, right? Like it's everywhere. It impacts all of us. I don't know, sound like those men on internet who wants to celebrate International Men's Day, who want gift on Men's Day, but still it like a lot of people don't see कि it impacts men also in ways that in horrible ways, right? And I think maybe in today's episode, last time we spoke about ADHD a lot. And I think with this podcast, it's our goal to make sure that we have conversations that are generally not so easy or conversations that often जो हम everyday life में बात नहीं करते या फिर थोड़ा झिझकते हैं. So I think patriarchy, it impacts everybody. It impacts my mom, it impacts your mom, it impacts you. So that's why we thought maybe it's a good idea to have a conversation on patriarchy and how it impacts all of us.
We're just two friends
We're just
talking
friends,
about
yeah,
our
talking
experiences.
about, The whole goal is like we'll just talk about how it impacts us. How did this even happen, right? Like because I know कि when we were all nomads, when we were hunting animals, तब तो men and women were doing it side by side.
Right.
So when did this shift happen? कि suddenly men started thinking that we own everything, we are the bosses,
Right.
and they started looking at women as objects, right? And this is the root of patriarchy, right?
Right. तो पेट्रियार्की इज अ सोशल सिस्टम जहाँ पे मेन को लगता है कि वो सुपीरियर हैं, उनको लगता है कि वो विमेन को ओन करते हैं और उनके पास ज़्यादा पावर है ओवर वेदर इट्स एट in their house, whether it's in their workplace, whether it's in society. Basically agriculture revolution से चालू था और अभी तक it's going on, right? तो like you said, जब हम hunter gatherers थे तो it was mostly equal. हम दोनों साथ में hunting और gathering करते थे. But actually agriculture revolution में क्या हुआ कि जब land और agricultural land आई तो फिर लैंड की ओनरशिप डिसाइड होने लगी तो वो मेन के पास इनहेरिटेंस जाने लगी, राइट? तो उससे क्या हुआ कि एक आइडिया आने लगा मेन को कि ये मेरा लैंड है, ये मैं ओन करती हूँ. और उसके कारण क्या हुआ, बहुत सारे फाइट्स होने लगे. विमेन स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सीन एज पोजेशंस दैट मेन हैव. उसके कारण क्या हुआ, डोमेस्टिक रेप, अब्यूज, वायलेंस, ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग, राइट?
So I kill you and I keep your wife.
Exactly.
Okay.
This whole notion of keeping wives. और धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया कि people started marrying a lot of women. In the historical times a ruler would have so many different wives, yes. Right?
And this is during peace times. This is not just during wars.
Yes,
right?
Yes. I think that was the origin. And as the society sort of started evolving, तो patriarchal norms वैसे ही change होने लगे. तो for example, around 1850s or so is when when the practices of sati and child marriage and all of that started peaking, right? उसके बाद से 1915 में actually women को partial voting rights मिले, but from there to even now, I feel like there has been progress, there has been change for sure. I mean, the proof is that I am sitting and talking to you now as an equal, but there's still such a long way to go. But ये बताओ कि even in this modern society that we talk about, हम बोलते हैं कि हम इतने ज़्यादा progressive हैं. Why are men still so patriarchal? And when I say men, I know men very closely who still exhibit those traits. So ऐसा क्यों है कि आज भी men still have that kind of identity?
So for this we have to zoom out a little, right? Like इसमें थोड़ा nuance आते हैं. तो when we say patriarchy, when we say पुरुष प्रधान, that's why I was very worried of doing this episode as mentioning, right? Like when we say it's not men. Okay, men may be like there's no one definition of a man, right? And it's not this system में like it's not a men who it's not male dominance. Okay. It's cis hetero male dominance. Okay, so you can't be gay and then be prime minister of a country, right? This is patriarchy at play.
Openly gay.
You cannot be openly gay and nobody will make you a prime minister, right? So it's not like then our
it's
definition
just
fail
about,
हो गया ना then.
Right. Yeah, it's not about biological sex.
It's not about biological sex की बात नहीं है. It's about over the years while like you mentioned, when the idea of possession, when men became overly possessive, when like I can have 2 wives or I can have 3 wives, and even during peacetime they were having 10 wives. So जब चस्का लग गया ना, so then that became the norm कि this alpha male, strong alpha male guy who can, you know, that became the norm. Ki agar if you have to rule, if you have to lead, you know, these are the traits that you need to have, right?
Right.
Now, even when you're a man and you don't exhibit or you deviate from these traits, right? Like, you know, you get joked around like soft boys
Right.
and things like that, right?
Right.
Like, so yeah, these things also don't, it impacts them as well, right? So,
बट यही तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आज के ज़माने में अगर रूल करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है
हाँ.
तो क्यों वाई इज देयर एन अप्रिसिएशन और एन अपलॉज फॉर दीज ट्रेड्स
I have no answer for this. Unfortunately, it's like we all know the problems of it, but we all, it's this thing, no? It's like when you're not in, that's the beauty of power, right? Why somebody who's powerful will talk about equality, right? You have to be like a really nice person to be in a position of power and then still talk about equality and things like that, right? So,
वाई आर मेन स्टिल पेट्रियार्कल टुडे इन द सोसाइटी वेयर यू डोंट हैव टू हंट एंड रूल
हाँ.
डू यू थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ वो इतने सदियों से जो कंडीशनिंग चला रहे
हाँ,
हैं
see, patriarchy is not, it's not a word in the air, right? It's a system. Like say democracy is a system, same way patriarchy is a system. Like we all are part of the system, right? Like it's been there for thousands of years now. And we all have grown up with this, and we all are a vessel to that, right? Like it's become an invisible system. We all are part of it. We all are victims of it.
Right.
And there are some people who don't see it, and you know they are the one ruling us, right? Like it's become a norm. Unless you whatever, unless at a right from a small level, right? Like तुम चाय पीते हो and तुमने रख दिया, right? Yeah, or now you will not go keep it in the kitchen, right? In your head, your sister is gonna probably, it's that expectation you have, no? I don't know. I mean, Anurag Kashyap का कोई interview देखा था मैंने कि he says fuck patriarchy, but whenever I go home, I ask my sister to make chai. Like, you know, it says, he mentions that, he acknowledges that I know this is patriarchal. There is a gender, there is a role that you have assumed. I don't know. Recently, I was doing some marketing research and I was learning about biases, and I was randomly watching some video. I think it was some leadership coach or whatever she was trying to tell, and she tells this example. Okay, there's a kid, and he's traveling with his dad in a car, and car ka accident ho raha tha, and now both of them are put in an ambulance, and now they're taken to a hospital. And now this kid is really injured, and now he's on the operation table. The surgeon walks into the room, looks at the kid, and the surgeon says, hey, this is my son. I can't operate on my own son. Right? So, how is this possible, you tell me? Because बाप दोनों बच्चे, it's like I'm basically asking you a riddle. बच्चा और बाप travel कर रहा है, दोनों का साथ में accident हुआ है. How is that he went to the hospital and then the surgeon is again saying that ये मेरा बच्चा है. I cannot operate on my son. How can a son, like, kid has two fathers? Under what condition would this be true, is what I'm trying to ask. Did at any point of time did it occur to you कि वो surgeon उसकी माँ हो सकती है? So this is bias, right? Because when you thought of the word surgeon, automatically the image in your head was a fucking man. I do this with everybody these days. So
oh man.
तुमको ये aware, like how this is so insidious, it's inside you. Now tell me, how will you notice it? How can you change something so insidious? So, and biggest carriers of patriarchy are moms, right? Like it's women.
With women, I feel like, you know, and the reason I think it still exists in society is because I feel like people in power will never do anything that, you know, somehow threatens that power,
Yeah.
right? But मुझे लगता है कि the people who are not in power, which includes women, people in the LGBTQ community, or let's say marginalized sections of the society, whatever it is, I feel like सबसे बड़ी problem मेरे को और reason लगती है patriarchy की कि बहुत victim mindset है सबका, और victim और just accepting कि हाँ ऐसे ही चलती है चीज़ें, but never really questioning कि ऐसे क्यों है या फिर इसको change कैसे किया जा सकता है, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons as to why it exists today.
And see, this is where institutions come. No, we all are part of some other institution. Your home is also an institution.
Right.
Now, if our dad is patriarchal, and we know they all are, right? Like, see, that's the beauty of patriarchy, right? It's a system that we all have surrendered to.
Right.
कि I have seen, like, even when you are going to a pilgrimage, right? Like, तुम हरिद्वार जा रहे हो, सुबह 5 बजे निकलना है. In any, this happens in everybody's house. No, look what happens. It's the like who look at the to-do list, right? तुमको सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, खाना बनाना है रास्ते में खाने के लिए, and whatever भगवान के लिए कुछ खाना बनाना है, and then you have to leave at 5, right? But who wakes up at 4 o'clock?
The mom.
The mom, right? The first person who has to wake up. I've always seen this. I am the one saying like, पहले उसको नहाने जाओ, पहले इसको भेजो, पहले अदिति को भेजो, तुम कर लो, last में मेरे को बुलाना.
Yeah.
And somehow, like, why does it works?
Right.
Right. And now, how will you change this?
Yeah.
For change to happen, I should know कि ये गलत है.
Right.
And even the women should also know ये गलत
Exactly.
है, right?
But you know, मैंने कुछ लोगों से बात करें इस बारे में और वो इसकी जस्टिफिकेशन ये देते हैं कि यू नो women are the CEO of the household
It's,
and men are the sort of the provider for the family.
इसके लिए
तो
एक शब्द
उनकी-
इसके लिए एक शब्द है अंग्रेजी में, दिस इज कॉल्ड बेनेवोलेंट सेक्सिज्म. यू नो, तुम कितनी अच्छी माँ, तुम कितनी मदरली हो, तुम बहुत अच्छी माँ हो, एंड यू जस्ट पुटिंग दैट पर्सन इन दैट वो रोल में, तुम उनको लाइक बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है यार. आई हैव सीन पीपल जैसे दिस गाय, नो आई लव हिम, ये मेरा कार बहुत अच्छा क्लीन करता है. यू नो, व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग दैट पर्सन इन दैट रोल एंड यू आर जस्ट ग्लोरीफाइंग व्हाट दैट पर्सन इज डन, वो जिंदगी भर कार ही क्लीन करेगा ना.
I think that's bullshit to say that कि हाँ women है तो वो सब कुछ घर का संभालेगी, मैं मर्द हूँ तो मैं बाहर जाऊँगा, I'll provide for the family, I'll earn money. It's not to say that you know women should not run the household. It's to also say कि you know it's not कि अगर मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ या पी रही हूँ तो I'll keep the cup और कल को you know a female will only pick it up. I think that is the problem.
हाँ, that is the problem, of course, right?
Where it's okay if you know sometimes you are keeping it, sometimes she's keeping it, but as soon as you put that expectation on the person ki you know if she's a female she's only going to do this, I think that's when the problem comes. Right?
I think that
So-
presumption only is a problem.
Yeah.
Like,
अक्षय नेक्स्ट सेक्शन पे चलते हैं. आई थिंक इन द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन मुझे इस बारे में बात करनी है कि ये और जो इस पॉडकास्ट का थीम भी है कि हमारे लाइफ्स को पेट्रियार्की ने कैसे अफेक्ट करा है. आई वांट टू गो वेरी डीप इनटू दैट, राइट? बिकॉज इफ वी आर अवेयर कि हाँ we are a product of this social institution, but we know that these are the things that are wrong. I think that's when people will look and also think for themselves, right?
we can't deny the fact that like patriarchy, first form of slavery, right? Like color, caste, all those things came much later, right? It was women who were being suppressed from day one. No, not day one, that we discussed. But I would really want to understand, like, as a woman, how has it impacted you, and how it impacts you today? Like, you know, because I'm gonna get the historical thing first, because today I know you as a independent person who's done a lot of crazy shit in life. But I'm sure you are not this person, right? You went to a normal school like all of us. You probably grew up. You have a brother as well. So how was it growing up? How would love to.
I think I'll maybe answer this in 3 parts. Pehle I'll talk about how is it like in my family. Then I'll talk probably about school, college, a little bit work, and then just like social circle, right? I think family में I was very fortunate कि my parents always gave us equal opportunities. और कहीं भी थोड़ा सा भी unequal हो जाता था तो you know I was that person जो कि who would run for it and take that, and who would not you know ever say कि हाँ I am okay with less.
Like example, उसको chocolate मिला, तुमको नहीं मिला.
हाँ.
Okay. तो
या
मुझे भी
फिर
चाहिए.
मुझे भी चाहिए, मेरे को दो.
Okay.
या फिर वो तुम 7 बजे के बाहर नहीं निकल सकती हो, क्यों? मुझे
क्यों?
जाना है. I mean तब भी जाने नहीं दिया जाता था, but my first response was not कि ये ऐसे ही कर रहा है मुझे. I would really question hard and I would really fight back. And once I realized, you know, there are some things that I can't get off. मैंने अपने दिमाग में बैठा लिया कि मैं जब बड़ी होंगी तो ये कभी नहीं मानूंगी. So I think I was probably born with that rebellious या फिर questioning mindset, which I now realize is something जो कि बहुत रेयर होता है, लोगों में नहीं होता है. आई डोंट नो वेयर आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम. बट मेरे पता है फैमिली में एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये थी कि मेरे ना दोनों साइड्स ऑफ द फैमिली आर वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. सो माई मॉम साइड ऑफ द फैमिली दे आर वेरी एजुकेटेड, मॉडर्न, all females are working, and my dad's side of the family is actually quite traditional and conservative and all of that. That was such a weird mix for me because you know it was like I kind of have like a playbook कि मेरे को क्या follow करना है और कैसा बनना है और कैसा नहीं बनना है.
Mom के side.
के लोगों के, right? Where in fact one of my aunts, she actually used to earn more than my uncles, which growing up is such a crazy role model to have. And I was like shit, मुझे ऐसा बनना है. And that time I remember जब मैं बच्ची थी तो मैंने सोच लिया था कि मैं तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ही बनूंगी क्योंकि वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है और वो उनसे ज़्यादा कमा रहे हैं. वो मेरे अंकल बैंक में थे. So it was very crazy. But मुझे पता है मेरे पास ये
Is
भी
that why you're in tech?
I don't think
Yeah,
so.
okay.
This side of the family had instances where you know the dad took an education loan for the son but not for the daughter. So I had instances like this separately. तो like you said right कि बहुत बचपन से ही क्लैरिटी थी कि क्या बनना है क्या नहीं बनना है, वो सबकॉन्शियस में जा चुका था.
I think क्या बनना है में पूरा लाइफ लग जाता है, but
हाँ,
क्या नहीं बनना है,
वो
that
बहुत
clarity.
क्लैरिटी थी मुझे. तो जैसे तुमने बोला कि अगर तुम एक इंडियन मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हो तो पेट्रियार्की तो भर के घुसी हुई है, भर के घुसी हुई है. लाइक यू नो आई हैड लाइक a very superficial conversation with him once, and one of the things that he told me is that you know he is nothing like his own dad. So his own dad was even more
Even more
patriarchal,
worse,
right?
yeah,
So I was also thinking that how, you know, every generation feels like कि वो same scripts या norms को follow नहीं कर रहे हैं अपने generation में, but I think हमारे generation में, especially with the internet, it's progressed a lot more now, right? So the progress का rate भी काफी
This
fast
is why I
है.
don't blame them. You know,
Yeah.
they didn't have internet.
Yeah.
हम भी, if we were not in the
Yeah.
times of internet, we would be exactly like them.
Completely, yeah, for sure. So, but yeah, like you're absolutely right. I think घर पे मैंने काफ़ी patriarch, in my parents' generation मैंने बहुत सारी examples देखी हैं. So एकदम समझ में आ गया था कि क्या नहीं follow करना है. I think school में I went to an all girls school, तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा experiences नहीं थे. But I'll tell you उसके बाद क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. I went for JEE coaching, जो coaching institutes नहीं होते. तो वहाँ पे क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छी थी, तो I was, so उसमें क्या करते, वो टेस्ट लेते रहते, and depending on how you perform, they keep shuffling you in different batches, right?
Correct.
So somehow it always be in the top few
Elite-
batches,
elite
right?
batch.
Sure, elite batch, whatever.
Star
Star
batch,
batch,
हाँ.
yeah. I was always in that. And you will not believe, यार, like 40 बच्चों के बीच में there were like 2 or 3 women. तो ये जो मेरे लाइफ में ये जो फिनोमिना स्टार्ट हुआ ना कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से, ये अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. तो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में मैंने बताया 2-3 बंदियां थी, 40 बंदे थे. कॉलेज में मेरे बैच में 1000 लोग थे, जिसमें से 85 लड़कियां थी.
This is in Pilani.
This is in
So
Pilani.
there's gender disparity in Pilani as well.
In Pilani as well, and it's much more in IITs. IITs में थोड़ा सा, I think because they have reservations.
न्यूज़ में तो हमेशा दिखता है कि लड़कियां टॉप कर रहे हैं तो they should be the one there.
लड़कियां टॉप करती हैं, but the number of girls are very very less.
अच्छा.
तो मेरे like I study economics, मेरे बैच में कुछ 80 या 100 लोग होंगे, जिसमें से 20 लड़कियां होंगी. And economics is one of those branches जहाँ पे लड़कियां थी, by the way. उसके बाद वहाँ से when I started my own company, oh my god, and we have spoken about this so much, and this is something that's so close to my heart. And one of the reasons is so close to my heart because, you know, I have felt the pain of not having women around me because I've always felt out of place. And as in my own company, I have tried so hard to hire women, and it wasn't happening. And that's when I realized कि बहुत बड़ी problem है ये, और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को fix करना पड़ेगा to even solve that, right? But I've always kind of been like this person who was a little bit as the odd one out in whatever I did. Even like as a woman founder, a little young, I barely know 1 or 2 people. I've talked to one female founder who has built a big company in my life. बहुत out of place लगता है, for sure. I think what has helped, and coming back to the 4th point, is the social circle that I've built. I think, you know, given that I have friends like you and all my other friends, I think I cannot be friends with a macho man.
Yeah, dude,
I cannot.
and you know it's a facade.
It's a facade,
Yeah.
and मेरे तो नहीं जमती. So I've made sure that, you know, especially growing up, कि I'm surrounded by people who make me feel safe, who make me feel seen. अगर मैं अपनी emotions के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, मैं रो रही हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे सामने I've cried so
Yes.
many times, right? Like I don't feel that shame to do that.
Yeah.
I would confess that I'm still not 100% okay to cry maybe in front of my own company or investors maybe. I think there's a lot that I also have to cover.
Yeah.
But at least with my people, with my safe spaces that I've built, I think they just let me be who I am. So I think that has really helped.
And this goes on to show the importance of having a good peer group, no? You
Yeah.
know how they say you are the average of top 5 people you hang out
for
with.
sure. They're not letting you who you are to exist. I think change that peer group today. I think that would
Yeah.
be probably one of my advice.
And when you say change, I'm not saying break
Bonds
break
with them.
bonds
Yeah.
with them. It's
But-
you just choose to decide ki, you know, after work when you're hanging out, who are you hanging out with, Ramesh,
Yeah.
or you're hanging out with Deepak, right?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
comes down to that.
And it's okay to be friends with those people also, but then you should know the kind of conversations you should have with them.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just best to not open up if you feel like you will be mocked or ridiculed.
And it's also taking, there are 2 ways, right? One is you surrender, you can totally leave them, or you can always take initiative. Tell them that, hey, bro,
Yeah.
it's not okay to say that.
Yeah.
Like we've been discussing, sometimes it's not even their fault, right? Like we did that bias experiment, right? Like now, can I blame you? Can I call you that, hey, you're a sexist person? No, right? Like this is
That's how we have
this is
been
culturally,
wired.
this is how we are. There was a time I used to do a lot of events and conferences, and there was this one client. It was a textile company. I won't tell you the name of the company. And until that, right, I used to fight with my bosses. You know, it's like sometimes I used to do shows. Let's say some show on AI, I would put 5 people, like CEO of this company, da 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 da. And then my boss used to come and she say, hey Akshay, like stage pe to there's no woman on the panel. And I used to tell her, hey, how does it matter? I have put 5 experts there. Whether those experts are men or women doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And that she's the one who introduced the concept of representation.
Yeah.
And it was very difficult for me to understand that in the beginning. One event changed my perspective. This textile company, we did an event for them. It was in a fancy 5-star hotel ka ballroom, and the entire leadership was there. And I was working with the people who were managing this event, right? 2 or 3 women, that's it. And everybody else, bhar ke bhai, buddhe, like all these uncles, all these boomers, filled with them. And that day I realized, like, fuck. And because all of them were drunk and dancing, for a second I felt a little unsafe, you know. And then that day I like questioned myself, like, yeah, maybe what my boss used to say is right. You said, right, like you've tried very hard to change that, you know, gender disparity. Like, what do you think was the reason? Why is that? And I think you will, for the kind of person you are, I think you have no shame in admitting that you failed in it, right?
Yeah,
Fixing
I failed.
that. Yeah.
I failed it.
Why do you
I
think
did,
you failed?
Yeah, because it's not a problem that can be solved in just one day. I think that is what I would say. Let's think ये problem है क्यों, right? एक तो तुम बचपन से start करो, women just don't pursue STEM as much as men. मैंने बताया भी मेरे coaching में I was one of the top 2-3 girls that were there in a batch of 40. तो ये top of the funnel ही तुम्हारा अगर इतना छोटा है, तो trickle down होते होते कितने लोग आएंगे यहाँ पे, right? I think दूसरा कि you know, people say कि हाँ तुम you could have hired like a marketer or a designer, like these soft skills, if not let's say a proper coding job or whatever. I think हमने इतना कुछ ट्राई किया, हमने इंटरनली लोगों को डबल इंसेंटिव दिया कि अगर तुम एक फीमेल
I know, I have done that. I chase that incentive. So a lot of people don't know, like when Aditya and I used to work together, we had a company policy where if you refer a man, you get 30,000 rupees as a referral bonus, and if you referred a woman, you get 50,000 rupees. And guess what? It was never claimed.
मतलब हमने इंसेंटिव्स करे. आई रिमेंबर हमने जब हायरिंग पोस्ट किया था तो हमने बहुत सटली थोड़ा करा था कि यू नो लाइक आई रिसेंटली वेंट टू एन एआई इवेंट. लास्ट वीक की बात कर रही हूँ, कुछ मे बी 70-80 लोग थे. आई वॉज द ओनली फकिंग फीमेल देयर.
I feel sad for you sometimes.
Like I was the only fucking female there, and no matter how much I want to avoid कि नहीं it's okay, gender does not matter. I think एक अंदर से ही एक realization हो जाता है कि हाँ मैं वहाँ पे अकेली हूँ.
Okay.
Like I feel it's like तुम्हें life हमेशा ऐसे travel करना पड़ता है कि तुम अकेले हो, right?
Like you didn't have safety pin now.
Right.
Like if I was a girl, I would have probably opened my thing and I'm like, hey.
हमने कितना ट्राई करा है यार ये सॉल्व करने का, बट दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम इसीलिए है क्योंकि एक तो टॉप ऑफ द फनल बहुत छोटा है. दूसरा आई थिंक सी विथ विमेन व्हाट हैपेंस इज, और मैंने बहुत सोचा इसके बारे में, यू हैव टू जगल अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स even when you have a job, even if you are working.
Correct.
तुम्हें घर पे आके घर का काम करना होता है. तो the amount of time and focus जो कि एक let's say a man is being able to give versus a woman to her job. I'm not saying that women are not competent. It's just एक टाइम और एफर्ट लगता है किसी स्किल को लर्न करने में टू बिकम गुड एट व्हाट यू डू. आई थिंक women don't have the same time
Liberty.
and
वो
liberty
privilege नहीं है.
और वो privilege as compared to men. So अगर मैं let's say if I was living you know somewhere else with my parents and I was also doing a job, I would come back, I would do a lot of household chores. See, I am in this position now that I can outsource that, right? I can outsource all the household chores. I can outsource cooking. But how many women have that position today? राइट बट मेन के लिए तो इट्स ओके राइट. अगर वो लेट आके अगर उसकी ऑफिस मीटिंग 10 बजे चल रही है और वो 11 बजे घर आ रहा है, ही डज नॉट हैव टू वरी कि यू नो प्लेट कौन धोएगा, खाना कौन बनाएगा. सो आई think it's that women are juggling a lot more things as compared to men, especially at home. जिसके कारण I feel like you know maybe men have, I'll have to say this very carefully. Men have probably become better at those skill sets in a shorter period of time.
What
They'll
skill
always all these skill sets, designing, whatever skills that we're talking about, right? Like soft skills maybe, if not like hard skills. I think बहुत सारी restrictions हैं यार. Sales में देख लो, there are a lot of females in sales, but you know sales में एक बहुत important requirement होती है कि तुम्हें travel करना पड़ता है. Now we had a colleague, if you remember, where her mom-in-law would not allow her to travel.
Correct.
And she had to be remote because of that. Just think about that, right? Like if she had to do so much effort just to come for her offsites because you know her mom-in-law would be like, तुम कहाँ रुकोगी, तुम कहाँ ये करोगी. So I think what is this concern around safety, people try to solve it as restricting them.
Yeah.
But I think there are other ways around it. And again, you as a woman have to feel confident कि हाँ मैं एक अलग सिटी जा सकती हूँ, मैं ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ. आज सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, ऊबर अवेलेबल है, होटल्स, सेफ होटल्स अवेलेबल है, फीमेल हॉस्टल्स अवेलेबल है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि तुम ऐसी चीज़ें करो जो जिससे तुम्हें अनसेफ लगे, तुम रात को निकलो. थोड़ा तुम्हें भी कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, राइट? यू हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस.
एंड मोर देन गोइंग आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन, तुम्हें ये नैरेटिव जो तुम्हारे आसपास है, तुमको इसको इग्नोर करना सीखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज नॉट द गॉस्पेल,
Right. Like I have traveled, I've gone international on business trips alone also.
Yeah.
When I had to, right? And definitely, I'm not going to say that मैं डरी हुई नहीं थी, but that's what everything. I was able to do everything today because of all the services that exist, right? मेरे को कहीं जाना है, I'll take a train, I'll take an Uber. Like I said, female hostels are available. So you have to experience both the good and bads of the world to grow. If you have to grow and you have to be out there and put yourself out there.
Yeah. No, that's very true, very fascinating. And I think so. It comes down to this. So are you saying मर्दों के पास बकचोदी करने के लिए टाइम है?
Definitely. I mean,
men,
again, there'll always be exceptions to this rule. I think I am one of those exceptions. But I don't think there are a lot of women like me that exist. I think, like I said, imagine like a typical woman's life. And you know, even forget till the time she's not married. एक बार शादी हो जाएगा, अरे फिर you know, लड़के की एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि इन लॉ से रोज बात करो, उनके इवेंट्स में जाओ, उनके गिफ्ट सोचो. लाइक थिंक ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन यू हैव अ किड, देन व्हाट? भाई, इवन द मोस्ट मॉडर्न पीपल, मोस्ट मॉडर्न कपल्स आई हैव सीन, लड़कियां ही आर द वंस हु आर सैक्रिफाइसिंग. लाइक ऑल माय इन्वेस्टर्स हु हैव किड्स टुडे, मैंने उन सबसे जाके पूछा यार कि हाउ आर यू एबल टू मैनेज वर्क एंड लाइफ?
Smita takes care of the kid.
Exactly. Like it's only because they had a wife who was able to take care of the child at home.
And that's why they give them a longer leave, no?
Leave and all of that,
Maternity
right?
leave.
So it's a very systemic problem. I think, sure, you know, you can hire more females and that will just be solving like the chotu sa part in this big equation. But I think ये problem बहुत बड़ा है.
So this goes back to, like everything, this goes back to capitalism, right?
Yeah.
It goes back to property. It's like when growth at all costs is your priority, none of this, then you'll always cut corners, no? It's like, okay, let's not hire women because they become pregnant. I
Yeah.
don't want to give. I have a maternity leave wala concept in my thingy, but so money is the root cause of all of this, and also money is the solution to all of
Money
this.
is the solution to all of this also, yeah.
Very funny.
Very funny.
What you spoke about safety, what that net and like, you know, वो छोटा सा radius डाल देते हैं. My oh fuck, how can I? My sister is in sales. She works for a bank, and I know like when she goes to these villages and all sometimes for these camps जहाँ पे accounts वगैरह open करने हैं. And when every time she tells me कि आज मैं 23 kilometers गई, 30 kilometers गई, something happens inside me. I skip a beat. You know, I am worried for her. But like you said, like in our case, it doesn't come as rest. But if I don't know, like I have these values, so of course I don't want to restrict all of this. But have that thought ever comes to my mind? It does.
Of course.
Right? It does.
I think I would lie if I say कि मेरे thought में ऐसे, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे thoughts नहीं आते.
हाँ.
Right?
ले मत जाओ, क्यों छोड़ दो ये
क्यों
job?
छोड़ दो, क्यों जाना है, क्यों travel करना है?
But then how will she grow? Yeah? How will she become a sales leader someday if she will not?
How will she learn the ways of the world? और मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार, like you know, one of the things I think about is like अगर तुम देखोगे ना families में, I don't know तुम्हारे family में है कि नहीं, but मैं अगर अपने extended family में देखूंगी where women are engaging so much in politics and this and that, I also feel like a part of that comes because they are not that exposed to the world. They don't know दुनिया कैसे काम करता है. They're not witty. Witty is the wrong word, sorry. I think tactful नहीं है women, I feel, you know, because I think one of the things I learned while running a company is that तुम किसी भी hard situation या hard conversation को करना एक skill होता है, right? Where तुम बिना rude हुए, बिना arrogant हुए, बिना किसी के feelings hurt किए हुए तुम वो conversation या कोई news की delivery या कैसे कर सकते हो. And मैं इसीलिए सीखी because I was in that position where I could learn, right? But think of like, let's say a distant cousin I have that doesn't have these. She has a job, but she does not have those opportunities where she has to do that, right? So tact कैसे आएगा? How do you? तो क्या होता है फिर? You know, like they're not able to deal with situations. They're not able to have hard conversations. Politics करते हैं, and all of that I feel is because आपको नहीं पता है कि दुनिया कैसे काम करती है, right? And one of the reasons for that is, like I said, is कि जो concern है वो restriction में बदल जाता है, right? तो और and this is what I want to double down on कि see there are two types of safety that you can feel, right? वन इज अ फिजिकल सेफ्टी, वन इज इमोशनल सेफ्टी. फिजिकल सेफ्टी की प्रॉब्लम तो हमने अभी तक दुनिया में सॉल्व नहीं करी है. देयर आर पॉकेट्स ऑफ एरियाज इन द सिटी where sure you will feel safe. For example, we both live in societies.
Yeah.
Society के अंदर मुझे बहुत safe लगता है. I'm
Yeah.
sure you know तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड को भी लगता होगा, right? But you know रात को अगर मैं सोसाइटी के बाहर चली जाऊँ, I will definitely feel
as a
unsafe.
man, I get scared if you, there's an underpass near Majestic. You walk there रात को 12 बजे as a man, तुम्हारी फटेगी.
राइट. तो फिजिकल सेफ्टी की तो प्रॉब्लम हमने सॉल्व ही नहीं करी है अभी तक, आई थिंक. बट इमोशनल सेफ्टी इज समथिंग वी कैन स्टिल सॉल्व एज अ सोसाइटी, बिकॉज उसमें कुछ फिजिकल सेफ्टी इज अ लॉट अबाउट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मनी, टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट इमोशनल सेफ्टी इज समथिंग दैट इट डज नॉट टेक एनी एफर्ट टू सॉल्व. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज क्रिएट दोस सेफ स्पेसेस, राइट?
Wherever you are, right?
And like people, you know, really applaud the culture that we built in our company. And I think I don't think we did anything special. The only thing that we did was just give people the space to be themselves. And that is all that is
All it
really
takes.
needed,
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
कि कल को ये अपना ideas, अपने opinions, अपने problems express करना चाहे, of course वो genuine और authentic होना चाहिए. That as a leader you have to, you know, be very nitpick about कि वो inauthentic नहीं है और वो exploit नहीं कर रहा है. But as long as it's genuine, create that space with your female friends, with, you know, your female colleagues कि वो safe feel करें. If tomorrow I need, you know, a menstrual sanitary napkin, right? Like I can go to one of my male colleagues and ask them for it. Like, you know, we had this culture in our office, but it's still not there today, right? So I think menstruation is a whole different topic.
That should be a separate episode.
Yeah, we should probably
we
do a
cannot
separate,
talk about patriarchy
without
talking
talking about menstruation.
Yeah.
I think, man, you will not believe, like I have friends जिसके family में you cannot enter the kitchen when you're menstruating. Like I have really close friends like that, and when they told me, I was like mind fucked.
Yeah.
कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता
I've
है
known
कि
people who had separate rooms for people, like you're supposed to stay there, not come out.
like आज के ज़माने में
2000, yeah. Like,
2024 की बात चल रही है.
Yeah, I know somebody. She was a director of a fucking engineering college, and they had this tradition in their house. So that's all right. It goes back to the concept of purity.
हाँ.
You know, your value, this very notional thing. A very notional concept like purity.
जब basically जब तुम menstruate करो तुम impure हो जाते हो. तो वो
or
vibe,
even if you have sex with somebody before marriage,
Yeah.
even then you're impure.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
so, the concept of purity is
Purity is
associated
associated
with
with
women,
women.
whereas
Yeah.
men can do anything like that.
yeah. I think people just need to grow the fuck up about this whole thing. Patriarchy ने तुम्हारी life को कैसे affect करा है? And let's start with your family and the place that you grew up. Like, did you see instances of patriarchy there?
Oh God. I do have no shame in admitting that I come from a very... No, I think we all come from... Unless you're from Kerala or Bengal, we all have a patriarchal family, right? But only thing is now the question is how worse.
Right.
So I know my house is patriarchal, but I know a lot of friends, I know a lot of households which are even more patriarchal. कि तुम पल्लू नहीं उतार सकते. मेरा एक दोस्त था, उसके घर में बवाल हो गया because मेरे किसी दोस्त ने उसके घर के अंदर कांदा he sent like accidentally he took onion inside like
Wow.
yeah because उनके घर में onion allowed नहीं है. बवाल हो गया था, right? Like, and I've seen, right, in houses like this, it's like if you don't put up that strong show, right, if you don't become like the father, then you are also not respected, no? Right.
So you tell me कि तुम्हारे घर पे तुमने क्या देखा growing up?
Growing up, it was very evident, right? Like women had less power and men had more. It's
Power with respect to
everything.
finances.
Everything. No, it's that ये चीज़ मेरे, I think, see, even when we spoke about the origins of patriarchy, it somehow ties to wealth, right?
Right.
I feel like lately what I'm feeling is like if you're the bread earner, you have naturally you have respect.
Right.
Like that person, and it's true everywhere, right?
Right.
If you are providing,
Right.
then you also get some luxuries, right? Like,
Right.
that's where it starts, and I think
Right.
very early on I picked कि like you know.
पैसे कमाने बहुत
पैसे
जरूरी है
कमाने
और एज अ मैन तुम्हें तो कमाना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
Right.
that's expected. But even now when I talk to young girls, I tell them कि see, if you really want independence in life, you have to fucking make money. But that's the only way. It's sad, but that's the only way you'll
You
get
will
the
get that
respect,
freedom, respect. Yeah,
that you deserve. And I know, like, what I'm saying is, it's coming from. No, I mean, I'm not a privileged person, so I cannot say that this is. Unfortunately, if you're underprivileged, the only way to money really helps. It's a good crutch. It's a good balancer.
बट तुम्हारे केस में जो तुमने पेट्रियार्की के एग्जांपल्स देखे वो कैसे तुम्हें वायर करा, नॉट रिवायर?
I think the only way it rewired me is मुझे ये नहीं बनना है. Like I think that clarity came from a very young age. I think I was very shocked. I'm not saying that my dad is a horrible person. I'm not commenting on anybody. I'm saying that just witnessing this system, I realized that even these people are victims. A person who ends up becoming the patriarch, like, see, being a patriarch is also not very easy. What does that mean? It's like, look at Prime Minister. Look at our Prime Minister. No? Like, what is the image that he has? He sleeps only 18 hours a day. So hardworking. Doesn't take a single chutti and all of that. Now imagine one day, let's say even if he's genuinely sick and who knows, unko zukham ho gaya and he doesn't want to go there, but he can't because you've already put up this image. Now you have to maintain that.
So why do you think being a patriarch is hard? Is it because
जिनसे ये आया है वो तो राजा महाराजा थे ना. They had land, they had 10 wives. You are not that, right? You don't have 10 wives. You are not Raja Maharaja. वो बना के चले गए, right? And now sticking to that is really hard, right? Like, and it's not a very realistic, it's not a very sustainable system for both. Of course, it's wrong. People who are on the receiving end of it, of course, उनका life झंड है. But even to be a patriarch, like, look at, I've worked with a lot of these alpha male CEOs. I've seen them. I've worked with them. It's. I know you're not like this at your home. मेरे को पता है तुम पजामा पहन के गुलाटी मार रहे हो घर पे. But
is it because उनको लगता है कि उनको रिस्पेक्ट अगर यही persona है तो उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा? Is it that?
See, I mean, यही तो बदलना है ना हमें कि like you can still be a vulnerable person and still lead. You can tell your team कि भाई मैं नहीं आया कल office because I was having a mental breakdown. Like if you say this to your employees, they are also gonna open up. Yeah. But then it's a very slippery slope. No, you can only be vulnerable when you're in a position of power, right? Your boss can say that, hey, I had a bad mental health day. But then how long, if your employees start saying it, how long will you tolerate it, right? Because मुझे जॉन्डिस हो गया, मुझे डेंगू हो गया और मैं 20 दिन घर से बाहर निकल, even though like you are dependent on me, even though तुम्हारे 1000 काम अटके, you will still somehow कि okay, he can't come, right? It's like, it's very physical, it's very visceral, you can see it. You don't expect, like किसी के घर में कोई मर गया, अभी 13वीं तक वो ऑफिस नहीं आने वाला, you don't expect that person to come, no? It's somehow acceptable. If you say that I'm having a bad mental health day, no, you have to go show
very
up.
हाँ. But ये बताओ कि तुम्हें ये अवेयरनेस कैसे आया बचपन में कि ये गलत है? क्योंकि everyone who I see is a victim, I think वो अवेयरनेस उनको अभी तक नहीं आया as adults.
I have no idea. I also keep thinking, like I talk to a lot of psychologists. I think my girlfriend used to keep telling me there's something, yeah, there is your environment that shapes you, the way you are, and other one is probably all the stuff you read, things that you do on your own. So one part is voluntary, you have control over it. Other one, surroundings पे control नहीं है. So maybe, like, I can't give credit to myself कि why did I get that awareness? I don't know, maybe something triggered. But yeah, I think the trigger was just seeing helpless women. I think I've seen.
तुमने देखा है growing up helpless women?
Yeah. किसी ने नहीं देखा भाई. If you're in India and if you're not seen a helpless woman, then.
But in your own family or extended family, or.
Yeah. There was a cousin of mine who got married. Very sweet girl. I remember going to the wedding and all that. They bought me new clothes. I still remember when I was very young when this wedding happened. But then he had there was alcoholism problem, right? Like, and I remember there was one time he used to never be at home. I remember like he just left the house and all of that. And this woman is just stuck with these in-laws, and like, why? Imagine, I have always kept myself in their shoes and wondered कि if I left my house and if I, तुम्हारे घर आई हूँ, and then the husband is always unavailable, or for the time he's available he's fucking drunk, then why am I doing this? So I never understood this concept कि why should you get married, right? Like, I see even like people tell me, hey, you're getting 30, get married. And same thing, if you're a woman, that's even, it's like they look at you as a packet of milk. If you don't drink it, for 5 days, it's spoiled. Like, that's how we look at it. And I don't know, like, it's kind of true also. Like, I'm sure if your parents have been sending you biodata, the kind of profiles that you used to get when you were 25, 26, 27, and the kind of profiles you get when you're, I'm talking about helpless women, okay? I'm talking about women who are not, I'm talking about people who are not independent, who are depending on a primary caregiver, right? And that's why independence is so I don't know, if there's a TLDR solution to patriarchy, it's fucking independence. Be your own boss. Right. I know it's difficult to say, it's easier to say that, but then unfortunately that's what it is.
There's no other way. Got it.
What would you would agree to that, right? Like, if you you would be making rotis in Bihar if you are not independent.
For sure.
Right?
Definitely.
Kaise ho?
What about like work and योर स्कूल और योर कॉलेज, वहाँ पे
Well-
पेट्रियार्की का इंस्टेंसेस बताओ कैसे तुमने देखा ऐसा पेट्रियार्की?
मैंने देखा है ना, मैंने स्कूल में डिफरेंस देखा है कि व्हेनेवर इट्स अ हेडमास्टर स्कूल कैसे चलता है एंड व्हेनेवर इट्स अ हेडमिस्ट्रेस स्कूल कैसे चलता है.
रियली?
Yeah, that's a difference.
हाउ वाज इट डिफरेंट?
How is it different? I don't know. I can't give you tangible examples. Maybe I can give you workplace examples because I have had the privilege of having a lot of female managers, right? And I've loved it. I think it's in my SOP now. Ki this time I got unlucky. I think if my boss is a man now, but he's a nice man, right? Like he's not a patriarch. So I have seen that difference very closely, right? Like how
कैसे डिफरेंट होता है?
I don't know, all the male leaders, right? I've always seen that, like, all these alpha male CEOs, they talk like they're in a documentary all the time. You know, it's like, we are going to double this next month. We are going to triple. How do you know? मेरे को कल breakfast क्या खाऊंगा मुझे पता नहीं है. How the fuck do you know you're going to double this, triple this, right? Like, so much.
और how do women managers talk?
It's very collaborative. Generally, like, they seek opinions.
They
What do
seek
you
feedback.
think? What do you think, Akshay? Right? Like, and again, I'm not making this a gender thingy. I have met some male leaders as well, you know, who are like this. I think, like, हमने unfortunately empathy को हमने feminize कर दिया, but I think it's something that everybody should have. But there's a lot of like simple thing. Yeah, I never felt any shame in walking to my female bosses and telling that, hey, not a good day. Like, I won't come to work today. Never. कोई guilt trip नहीं था, nothing. But I think when it's a male boss, I have to lie. It's like, hey, I'm fevered. Like,
Because
you have to
you're
make it.
expected to man up. तुम्हारी ability to be vulnerable, right?
Yeah.
Let's say with your peer groups, with your male friends. तुम्हें ऐसा कभी लगा कि तुम शायद अपने आप को weak नहीं दिखा सकते हो? Have you ever felt that way?
I think when that was true. I mean, that's what we all grew up with. I think, but over time, when you build an identity for yourself, when you become a little more confident in your own skin, when you start having your own belief system and things like that, when you stop giving thoda fuck less, right? And generally for most people this happens between 25, not even 25, 27 ke baad. I think
Right.
when I got a little more confident under my skin, now I'm not scared to be vulnerable. Now I openly
Openly.
tell people that I'm autistic. I tell
That
my
you're
bosses
taking therapy.
that I'm
and stuff
taking
like that.
therapy.
तुमने ऐसा experience तो करा है, right?
हाँ, but I don't think so. I'll tell my dad or anybody. I don't think so. I'll tell my cousins that I go to therapy, right? Because from where we come, like, you don't go to a counselor unless something is wrong with
Something
you.
really,
तुम
really
पागल ही हो,
right.
right? And I've seen this during COVID. I didn't have a job. I was not working for a long time, and I could see how everybody looked at me, right? And I also have a lot of friends who don't earn, who have degrees, but they're still struggling. Especially when you're struggling, right? And when you don't have naam, paisa, whatever. I think then you have to put up that show, right? But that's again the whole reason we're having this conversation is like it doesn't help anybody. It doesn't help you. It doesn't help. It has zero utility,
Right.
right?
What
So-
about the pressure to be the primary provider?
That है यार, I'm not gonna deny that. I think my dad, he gets what 25,000 का pension आता है उन्हें. Yeah, I sometimes I always wondered, right? Like even when I was in low points, I always felt कि I have two sisters, but I've always felt कि हाँ और एक भाई होता तो अच्छा होता और एक बड़ा भाई. I've always missed that.
तुम्हें ऐसा फील होता है कि उनकी शादी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुम्हारे ऊपर है?
अब वो ऐसे responsibility नहीं लगता. I would love to do it. It's like that. It's
But
my
did you
sister.
ever have that pressure? Let's say during the times when you're not earning कि अभी
Of
ये
course,
कराना है.
Of course, I have to make money. I have to make so much money that pressure is there, right? Like if I didn't have to send money back home, right? If my parents were well-to-do, like I have a lot of friends. Like I've never seen them talk about घर पैसे भेजने हैं. They're so sorted. Like I have friends. I have a lot of friends who are super rich and they make like 1.5 lakh a month. And 1.5 lakh a month is lot of money, right? Like in India, you can do anything. You can fucking do a Bali trip every 2 months if you're making that kind of money. But then if I was making 1.5 lakh, that money is never enough for me, right? Because now, when my sister was not earning, and I can tell you this: how you asked me how patriarchy impacted me, right? I'll tell you this simple example. When I was growing up, both my sister and I, we went to English medium school, right? But there came a point where my parents couldn't afford English education for both the kids. Okay, and now they had to decide कि दोनों में से किसी एक को downgrade करना पड़ेगा.
Don't tell me it was your sister.
It was my sister, and that's her biggest insecurity. Even today, she feels कि she can't talk in English the way I do, right? And it's not like my school taught this to me. I'm saying, who knows, what all opportunities she missed in her life. And
sure.
for a long time, I felt like, again, not my fault. It's not like I told my parents कि हाँ मुझे
course, no,
यही
it's not
करना
your
है.
fault.
It just happened. But the way I tried to correct it was like when I had the means, like when she finished her bachelor's, I made sure that I paid for. I told her ki, hey, you can go to any college you want. You pick up whatever course you want. I'll pay for your education. So I think for a long time I was paying her EMIs. Now, how well did she, use that degree? That's questionable.
right.
That's on her. But yeah, I felt guilty about that for a long time.
What would be the one piece of advice or something you would want to tell people who, I think both sets of people, one who feel pressured to be this alpha version of themselves, और ये दूसरा ग्रुप जहाँ पे because वो surrounded हैं उस टाइप के लोगों से जिनको वो मास्क लगाना पड़ता है और वो बहुत आउट ऑफ प्लेस फील करते हैं, तो उनको क्या बोलोगे तुम?
यही बोलूँगा कि जिन लोगों ने ये बनाया, लाइक आई सेड अर्लियर, जिन लोगों ने ये सिस्टम बनाया वो राजा महाराजा थे, तुम नहीं हो, राइट? सो इट डजंट, you shouldn't be subscribing to that school of thought. It doesn't help anybody. And one of the things, like I don't know, I think people say that they like talking to me, but what is that I'm doing differently than somebody else that they like talking to me? That I'm not ashamed of being vulnerable. Like if I'm having a bad day, I'll tell you I'm having a bad day, like, right? And I think that's the first step maybe, like that's the only advice. Like सामने वाला बंदा आपसे vulnerable तब होगा जब when you take the
First step.
Right? If you tell your boss that, hey, I couldn't come to work yesterday because I have to leave office early today because I have to go to therapy. Who knows, your boss is also going to therapy, right? Now because you mentioned this word, then there's a conversation that's happening and things like that. So I think you should, especially if you're in a position of power, I think you should be more and more vulnerable with your people, because people surrender to that narrative, right? कि हाँ, अगर तुम्हें successful होना है तो तुम्हें ऐसे ही रहना पड़ेगा, which is not true.
What about the other group of people जिनको out of place feel होता है?
Out of place feel होता है among these people, then यार, none of us, we don't live in a slavery वाला world. I think people underestimate the freedom that they have. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि you are in an environment that is not letting you grow, that's not letting you be who you are, and if you
Just
have to do
change it.
just
change it.
You have that choice.
Yeah.
And
और
I know it's
आज
easy
तो-
to tell people कि हाँ, quit your job. I know it's not that easy, but still, yeah, like
But even if you can't quit your job, start with your friend circle.
Yeah,
Like change your friend circle.
Yeah.
Today in the world of internet, like you
Yeah.
can meet
Anybody.
right?
Yeah.
In a way, the reason this podcast is happening because we met a friend through an internet,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah. Internet
you
is a
can
crazy
just-
place. I
yeah.
think that's a beauty, right? I think, yeah, internet is a solution to a lot of systemic issues that we have, right? Like, and what is internet? Internet is basically gives you a voice, right? And generationally, that's like, what is one weapon that I have that all my ancestors didn't have? That I have voice, I have the power of voice, I have power of thought. Family में कोई पढ़ा लिखा नहीं था कि they could write stories about themselves, or they are struggling, but they didn't have the
or they
words
could make
to.
their own brand.
हाँ, they couldn't tell that they were struggling. No, I think.
Last section हमारा rapid fire है. कुछ funny questions हैं.
Okay.
If women rule the world, what is that one thing you think men would protest about?
I really think men wouldn't protest only. There wouldn't be a question of protesting, because I think equality would be one of the fundamental principle. And I think जब inequality नहीं रहेगा तो तुम protest करने की जरूरत ही नहीं
बहुत
आएगी.
ज़्यादा feminine नहीं हो जाएंगी चीज़ें.
What is feminine? Yeah, this is the problem. No, I think like I
No,
don't
that's
know.
what I'm trying to think from a male's perspective.
But feminine is good, no? Like unfortunately हमने वो ऐसे brand बना दिया है कि look at organizations, no? Like organizations where women lead, the core values that the organization runs on are like trust, care,
Collaboration,
nourishment,
empathy.
collaboration,
Yeah.
like you said. And when men are at the helm, it's about growth. It's about acquiring. It's all about growth. It's all about, this relentless
Winning.
pursuit of winning.
Winning, yeah,
But what, like, today it's 50 lakhs, tomorrow it's 1 million. Like, where does it stop, right? Like, वो content miss हो जाता है. Like,
What is the cringiest pickup line you think a patriarchal mindset person would use?
yeah, all these angels. Is your dad an astronaut because you look like you fell from a spaceship or whatever, I think. And like I said, there's this Nikhil, he does a podcast, There's one podcast recently where he got the head of Brigade Group. Very beautiful podcast, and I was watching a shot जहाँ पे वो बंदी, like that woman is sitting and she's talking about how she built first commercial space in Malleshwaram, blah blah blah. सब है. First comment I read, one guy asked, who is she? And another guy comments, he is Mr. Jaya Chandra, whatever, who's the patriarch, who's the founder of Brigade Group. He's like, she is her daughter. And she's the head of Brigade Group. That's it. Uska naam nahi, nothing nahi. Like, that's it. So even when you made it, it's still...
What's the girliest thing that you've done ever? Like, let's say,
Girliest thing.
watching rom-coms with tissues or eating a tub of ice cream when you had a heartbreak.
I don't know. Fuck it. If it sounds feminine, but I love going to manicures and pedicures.
Awesome.
Love it. I love it. Like just somebody holding your hand, like pampering you, and filing your nails. I love it. Yeah.
Last question.
Yeah.
What's the most ridiculous manly thing you've been told that you have to do?
Stay strong. Don't cry. Men don't cry. I think all of these.
Men
things
don't
are,
cry is a big one, yeah.
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Everybody cries. We live in a world. Come on. Like today, there's AI. It's going to impact so many jobs. Like if you're doing something mediocre, you're not needed anymore in the organization, and all of that. Like it's gonna get tougher and tougher going forward. Life is gonna get even more tougher, right? And how can you
live without
feeling things, man?
Yeah.
Come on. I
How
think
can
this
you
is
live without acknowledging your emotions?
the emotions. And
Even
for a
if there are just 5 emotions that you know, just start with that.
Everybody's like, this happens in therapy, right? Like I once told my therapist, like I was very angry at her. I was very angry. She was like, what is angry? She was like, the day I learned that anger is not even an emotion, apparently it's a secondary emotion. Primary, like, whoa, were you disgusted? Were you disgruntled? Like, just, dude.
Light bulb
Light
moment.
bulb moment. Oh my god, yeah. Spoke a lot about how patriarchy affects men. Again, I'm not going to joke about it and downplay it because it actually does. I hope you guys like the what is this?
Patriarchy.
Pictorial representation of how patriarchy looks like. Please like, share, subscribe. I mean, come on, like, don't take this podcast way too much seriously. Take it with a jar of salt. And we just do this for fun. The whole point we started this podcast was, by podcast का नाम ही याप है, so you will only see us yapping.